Testing, testing. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. If you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, hit the like, subscribe. You already know we're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we damn well going soon. How's everybody's weekend? I hope you had a wonderful weekend. My Sunday was pretty rough. As you already know, the New York teams looked pretty bad. So without further ado, if you like crypto news, if you like making sick dough in crypto, hit that like, subscribe, because you already know we going on that ride. So some crypto news without further ado. Ethereum, Solana NFT market cools off following late summer surge. Overall, trading volume has dropped considerably amid a down crypto market, but top dollar NFTs and new projects are still selling. Big deal. The NFT market is getting huge. The gas fees are getting a little ridiculous. Something to pay attention. I was looking over here and I was watching and I was paying attention to this number. Over the weekend, OpenSea, and if you have not checked OpenSea.is yet, check it out. It's pretty cool. Nice NFT world there. You can buy and sell NFT art. Please be careful, as there's scammers everywhere in this world. But OpenSea recorded nearly 107 million worth of Ethereum trading volume across Saturday and Sunday combined, according to the data from Dune Analytics. Compare that to 274 million worth of trading in the same span the previous weekend on September 4th and 5th. So wild stuff. So that, considering that to be a down day, 107 million still seems to be a pretty nice number. What's been going on, ladies and gentlemen? We had a little bit of some fake crypto news here, huh? Looks like LITECOIN went bananas this morning, and some of y'all might have went nuts with it. I did not share the fake crypto news. If some of you don't know what I'm talking about, you could have wrote right here and said Walmart, INC, has announced partnership with LITECOIN. It's LITECOIN, first off, okay? See the LIT? LITECOIN enables its customers to make payments. I would have paid attention to that immediately. Definitely pay attention to mention the red flags. There's no E in LITECOIN, and I would have known that was somebody. Somebody in Walmart, somebody holding LITECOIN wanted to either buy real fast and sell real fast. Somebody's a fucking genius, and I wish I had their number, because I would have known. We would have bought some LITECOIN. We would have sold some LITECOIN. And we would have made some money. Definitely somebody was up to some shady shit today. If you don't think so, now you know. I worked on Wall Street. I'm WallStreetPete. When I smell something fishy, that was something fishy. Walmart did not partner with LITECOIN did not partner with Walmart. That was a lie. If you click on it, it tells you here, Walmart partnership with LITECOIN, fake news. There's the real LITECOIN. There's the E, bad boy. Now I know we're talking about the real LITECOIN. Pay attention definitely to MATIC, because some of y'all can get fooled real quick. That's one of the things I would have paid attention to. It's called LITECOIN. And the last time I named it LITECOIN, I can't remember. I know it's LITECOIN, so I would have known that was a crock of shit. But the NFT world is banging out. It's going to proceed, and if you don't have an NFT, I would recommend trying to find one that you may want to buy. My next altcoin here that I'm looking to get is Hashgraph. This is kicking ass, taking names. Hashgraph price predictions. How high can NFTs take HBAR crypto? If you've ever paid attention to HBAR, and what's up, Emerald? What's up, you? Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR USD, is one of the newest networks to pull a move like this. Non-fungible tokens is now in the NFT world, very popularity. And it looks like the token class stands to finish out of the year very strong. Millions of dollars are flooding into the space as investors flock to the industry as a digital art play. So I just wanted to touch real base. Once again, here we are with the DApp. DApp is really big. It's with the NBA Top Shop. So please pay attention to some of these things as we've created the network here. We are now HIP 17 for the Hashgraph, and Hashgraph's been making some moves. Last time I talked about Hashgraph, it was on a couple weeks ago. If you look, September 7th, I did buy some at 23 cents, 27 cents. I do remember getting some 23 cents over here. Pretty amazing, but I did have some. I remember I bought a lot more at 27. FOMO'd in because I was getting excited, and it was a good time to FOMO in, obviously. What's up, Trav B? How you doing? Hit the like and subscribe. You already know we're going on a ride. And I would not suggest FOMOing in on any of this, as we are now getting a double top here. It looks like it's going to finally calm down on hash graph. But HBAR was something nice to get into if you did, so congratulations if you did see that. What else did we talk about on here? We did talk about Atom, and I did do a little video talking about how Atom, we were at $25, $28, and I said it was a pretty good buy, and if you did, congratulations to anyone who did take that and did see my video just a week or two ago. You're doing pretty well on there. Sorry about that stutter, I don't know what that was. But here we are with MATIC. MATIC's looking pretty I'm just going with a quick video here of some nice coins if you're interested. MATIC looking pretty cheap. 1,000% on the cheap and cheap. And I think we're starting to hit the bottom here. If anyone was wondering, hey, Pete, got a great question for you, Wall Street. Yeah, what's up? When is the bottom? And I know this doesn't really tell me this is the bottom, but I'm going to pull out a couple charts here and see what we're doing here lately with the Bitcoin price, because this is the 4-hourly. And if I look at the RSI levels on the 30 down here, I'm really happy. We came below towards the 25, and we seem to be getting an upward trend line in the upward direction. So as I say, the trend is your friend. I would look to ride this wave a little bit for the rest of the week up here, and then maybe get another downward during the weekend coming. So, I mean, it's already going to be fast. It's Monday. I know Mondays are some rough days for some people. But I'll just tell you real quick, LITECOIN, that was the manipulation in the half. That was nuts. But we have a lot of tokens we talk about. Solana, I would buy Solana right now, as I'm not a registered financial advisor. We do this for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice, but look at this. Solana seems to have gotten its dip. And we did talk about this fall, 174, worst case scenario at the time. We got some sideways boring action. It seemed like some people got sick of it and really just wanted to get out. And these are the people who bought at 202, 200, and realized they fucked up. That's kind of what happened with Solana. I just want you to understand, yes, we hit resistance here that we did build support on. Right here, if you look for the week, we built support all the way from September 9th. There were some big support levels here. We hung out for a while. Now we're going to hit resistance. It's going to take turns. We could turn this into the orange, which orange I used to like to put for resistance. So on the trading view at 4-hourly, it does look like Solana is hitting some resistance. A couple coins I want to talk about. As you see, this could be the bottom. I'm really excited about this. I did buy some more Solana. I'm in on Solana on this price at the 158. There it is, going up higher, 168. We're now in the profits. I would say wait for a red candle down and get some in if you want. Another token I'm super ecstatic about, Harmony, the peer-to-peer network. And it reminds me a little bit. It reminds me a little bit of the Pi network. But real quick, some crypto news. We go fast. This is Wall Street Pete, Sicto Crypto. Fast money talk, crypto news. If you like this kind of stuff, you can keep up, enjoy. MicroStrategies has just purchased an additional 5,050 Bitcoins for $242.9 million in cash at an average price of $48,099 per Bitcoin. That's as of 9/12 yesterday, and they hodl currently 114,042 Bitcoins. I just want one or two, and then I'll be happy. Acquired $3.16 billion on an average price of $27,007 per Bitcoin. So, MicroStrategies, you are amazing. These gentlemen here, they are amazing. They keep buying and keep dollar cost averaging in. It's starting to become a beautiful thing. They're going to prevail. And now back to the Harmony token as we were interrupted. Harmony token definitely was making some money. We sold at the 20 cents for sure. I told you 20 cents was coming. If you don't believe me, timestamp me. Don't believe me, just watch. Bum, 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 bum. Voice is a little screwed up today, so I'm not going to be doing no singing. I'm sorry. That was actually awful. I can't believe I tried it. But here we are, 20 cents. Told you I'd be taking some profits. I told you a first little 20% profit would be at the 15 and a half level. Well, we did do that. I did actually wind up taking profits at the 15 and a half level instead of the 15. Then we waited for the 20 cents patiently. Rode this trend, sold 20 cents as others did. As you can see, we're coming down through the Harmony token. So look to see where we're going on there. This is something to pay attention to, the sequence for Harmony token. So I may change this to put Solana in the comment, Harmony token in the comment, and a couple others, as I want to get to ICP next. What's up, Aaron? Wally says, what's up? So here we are. If we come through without further ado, let's see. So the price here for the 50% pullback would have been, on my retracement, is telling me 16.7, so almost 17 cents on the Harmony. We would come down and we would have a nice test back up. Well, if you look on the Fibonacci sequence, that's exactly what we did. Look to come through, look to touch, look to come and see if we're going to touch the 0.618 Fibonacci level and then get that test through. Anybody holding Harmony token, anybody holding and wishing that they sold it to 20 cents, or maybe they FOMO'd out because they were sick and tired of watching the fall, I get it, but please don't do that. There's a good possibility it's going to get worse before it gets better. But if it does that, I do expect to see something similar to the 15.5 cents, back to where we already took profits the initial time, and then a huge spike up. I don't expect this really to happen, but I will tell you this is a good scenario. What do I expect to happen? Well, I think it happened already. I believe if we're getting one more leg up on the Harmony token, it was that price level of 17.8 right here. So this pullback of the 38.2 percentage on the Fibonacci, that seems to be the more likely scenario. If we don't receive a pull up similar to this green, then you will know that we're retracing to the level of 15.5 for a fact, Jack, and you may not want that. You may actually see worse. So whatever you're going to do, don't cry, don't complain. I'm telling you here what's going to happen now, so you may be able to help with Harmony. Don't funnel, don't FOMO into green candles. So what did we do here? MATIC. I did want to talk about MATIC and ICP, and then we're going to head out of here like Vladimir. Another one, MATIC. I do like MATIC. MATIC has been consolidating and really getting its ass whooped. I'm starting to believe that we're getting a bottom trend here. I'm starting to believe we're starting to hit some resistance up here as we did build support for the longest time on MATIC. And this is Polygon MATIC if anyone's interested. What are we doing here? Well, let's go back August 11th. All the way back to August 11th, ladies and gentlemen. This price has been fooling around since August 11th. I'm going to say it again. We're going to put that here because you need to pay attention. That's something definitely to pay attention. There's a long time of sideways action at this stuck price. August 11th, ladies and gentlemen, that's bullish. That's very bullish to me. We got some breakthroughs up, telling me we're going to 175, telling me we're trying to pump. Did it a couple times. If you see, we hit the 170 level here once, twice, 3 times. Hit it here 4, broke through, fell down significantly. As you can see, people took profits. We FOMO'd out. We got our ass kicked here. That was the day where we just got that significant fall that nobody would have predicted. I don't care who you are. But then we came back nicely. So this is Polygon MATIC. I just want you to understand that this may be a really good price to buy. Currently, I do like this price. I do like where we're at. And if you pay attention, definitely to mention, this is usually what I tell you, how we're getting this falling wedge, which is usually a very, very bullish sign. I feel like a broken record, but I am seeing this. And as I get off with you, I am actually going to buy some MATIC now. Do your own research. Don't buy MATIC. Sit there and wait for the Lambo and then message me on my channel and say, well, Pete, you told me it was very bullish, and then it went down, and then you cried. You got to do your own research. I'm not always going to be on the point, always on money. Have I been? Yeah, I've been pretty fucking good. I would have to toot my own horn just a little bit there. You go back to my videos, it'll tell you. So pay attention, definitely to mention on the MATIC price, as I do believe we found a bottom here. I'm going to do a couple moves here, a couple indicators to help me get a better understanding of where we are. That's something I want to look at. And if I look at the EMA action here, we are on the price. That's not the one I want. I'm sorry, everybody. 1 second. There it is, right? There it is. That's the one we like. You know it when you see that crazy color. So currently we are below the EMA, like dramatically. We're drastically below it. Look at it. Whew. We are going to get a pump up. Change my mind. I don't give a shit what you do. I'm getting off. I'm buying MATIC. I'm going crazy. MATIC is a buy. And I don't sit there and want to say, hey, because I don't pump coins. I don't pump coins. What's up, Hugo? But pay attention to this. Forming an inverted head and shoulders. Which one are we talking about? Because right now, I see an inverted head and shoulders pattern possibly coming through here. But the problem is we're focusing on the falling wedge on MATIC. So pay attention to the falling wedge on MATIC. Pay attention to the rising trend on the RSI level on the bottom there. I like MATIC. I'm definitely bullish on there. Look for maybe a Tigger bounce on there. And now finally ICP. I've had a million conversations with ICP. Don't make me continue. This fucking level here down here on ICP. We need to buy more. We need to buy more. We need to buy more. Look at this. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look how perfect this bad boy is. And if you don't think it's time to buy, well, then you need to turn off the YouTube and go to sleep. The Lambo's going up your ass with you and your yellow little pickup truck. Nah, you have a nice pickup truck. I love it. It's a beautiful pickup truck, Aaron. But the Lambo will have to wait until 2022, 2023. If you already don't have $1 million and you're an average guy like me, we have a couple of years. Wait till you see what Bitcoin does next year, ladies and gentlemen. You think this is crazy ride we've been on? Whew. We're going to hit 150K Bitcoin. Wait till you see what all the altcoins do. Harmony token, if anybody got in that Harmony token with me, I do congratulate you right now. Give yourself a big round of applause. Congratulations on the Harmony token, because you damn well know that's all I talk about on this crypto channel. Definitely pay attention to that. If you like this crypto news, WallStreetPete, Sicto in crypto, the gentleman who worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange in the open outcry pit, did this for a living, do it for a living now. This is where we're here for you. We need you to hit the like, subscribe, share it to a friend. Get them involved. Tell them what crypto is. Let them know about the scams, though. Please do not interact. I will not ask you to send me money for more Bitcoin. I will never do that. Solana's a great buy. I'm not a registered financial advisor. Adam, I told you 25 was good. HBAR, we've been making money since. Chainlink is at a bottom. I don't care what anybody says. Chainlink is cheap as AF. And if you don't believe me, then don't believe me. Just watch. So WallStreetPete, Sicto, and crypto. Pay attention to the few coins we went over. Solana, Harmony token. We went over MATIC. We went over ICP. We did not go over Cardano. LITECOIN. Somebody made a lot of money today in LITECOIN. You son of a bitch. Algorand has been kicking ass and taking names. Look for that to be the head of the inverted head and shoulders on that bullish run. If not, it will get a one leg up, one more, which is not a surprise. I actually think this is a 90% chance of it happening. But then pay attention. You'll get your inverted head and shoulders on Algorand, so that's a damn fact. Pay attention to that. That's not Algorand, that's Algorand. And you don't want to get that mixed up. As I said, Litecoin, some jerk-off made a lot of money today. They did a little tweet fooling around and made everybody think that they were partnering with Walmart. They did not. That was false. But look what a false tweet could do. The FOMO is real. All we got to do is get all our money together. That's all we got to do. And just put it in and just make Sicto and crypto. But we can't do that because that's illegal. So, WallStreetPete, have a great day. Have a great night. We will come to you. Please, in the comments section, put together the crypto tokens you want me to go over next. Which ones are we going to talk about? Which ones do you like? And which ones would you like me to predict for the end of the year? I'm looking to do a couple predictions on the end of the year, ladies and gentlemen. We're coming close. It's the last run here, right? We're in September, and September's going to fly. September's going to fly, and then before you know it, September, October, November, December. I expect October and November to be money, 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 money. Money, yeah. So let's hope it's a money month coming October, November, and we can have a great Christmas. So WallStreetPete, Sicto, and crypto. Pay attention to all your research and don't jump the gun. Double check, triple check, quadruple check. If it seems too good to be true, it might be too good to be true. If Litecoin is getting on with Walmart, you better take your investments and you better take your profits. Because today, you could have got onto the Litecoin wagon and you could have sold some of your profits and you could have made money and now you could be hodling it. I mean, I FOMO'd in a couple bucks onto Litecoin. I seen it going. I watched it closely, and I dollar cost averaged out, and I made a couple bucks when I shouldn't have. So, WallStreetPete, Sicto, and crypto, I'm here for you. We'll talk about the next altcoins that could make you money. I would like you guys to put in the chat, ladies and gentlemen, what token, what coin would you like for me to go over on the next video? We'll do some TA. What's the price prediction? We'll go over that as well. I have about 2 surprise tokens I'm going to give to you tomorrow. Tune in till tomorrow. We'll talk about 2 tokens that we don't usually talk about. WallStreetPete, Sicto, and crypto. I thought you'd know. Take care.